Hello friends. One of the beauty of our jobs on board ships is to run the show with limited resources, backups and spares, leaving us with only one option: to maintain our equipments and machineries to the best standards we can. One of the very important part of our routine jobs is to maintain the insulation of the electrical systems and motors, as low insulation is one of the root cause of failure of electrical equipments, and also it is a concern during the port state control inspection. In this video, I'll demonstrate you the step-by-step procedures about how to check the insulation of an electric motor. Friends, if at all you find the video informative, do hit the like button, share among your friends and subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos on various engine room jobs. So let's get started. First thing first, completely isolate the electrical supply to the motor, of which the Megger test is being checked. For this, put off the main breaker on the main switchboard located inside the control room. Additionally, disconnect all the fuses in the electrical circuit. This ensures the complete isolation of the electrical supply to the motor from the main switchboard. Friends, every ship is provided with a logout tagout kit. Making use of it, lock the main breaker in the off position. This is to prevent unintentional operating of the main breaker by any team member. Guys, there is always a chance of presence of a residual voltage in the motor windings. As an additional safety, do check the voltage before proceeding to conduct a Megger test. For this, using a multimeter, select the range appropriate for your vessel type. For most of the ships, it's 440 volt AC. Check for the presence of voltage between each phase. It should be 0 volt. Now it is safe to disconnect the cables. Guys, there are different types of Megger testers available on board ships. The Megger tester generates 50 volts to 1000 volts DC supply, and same is being induced in the electrical cables. The readings of the insulation value is in mega ohms, and it depends on the health of the electrical cables and the amount of induced DC current through the Megger tester. Since our vessel is with 440 volt AC electrical supply, you need to select 500 volts DC on the insulation tester. Friends, never touch the terminals of the tester while using the Megger device, as the DC supply can give you a severe electric shock. Next, check the condition of the insulation tester by shorting the terminals of the probes. The resistance value must be 0 ohms. This indicates the Megger tester is in good condition. Now you can proceed to check the insulation between the earth, that is hull of the ship, and the motor body. As both are in direct contact, the resistance value should be 0 ohms. Further check insulation between earth and electrical cables coming from main switchboard. The reading should be 2000 mega ohms. This ensures the cables are in healthy condition. Also, check the insulation between earth and each terminal. The reading must be 2000 mega ohms. It means there is no leakage of current from the motor windings. Friends, as you all know, the large capacity motors with star delta starters, basically with 3 coils, each having 2 ends named U1, U2, V1, V2 and W1, W2. While checking the insulation between the coils, the Megger reading between coil to coil, that is U1 and U2, will be 0 ohms, and the reading between different coils has to be 2000 mega ohms. Conduct the test for every coil and check for proper readings. If you get the aforementioned readings, then the resistance within the cables and the motor windings is satisfactory with no any current leakage. You are done with the Megger test procedure. You can tighten back the cables in their initial orders and put back the protection cover. Remove the logout tagout securing arrangement and put back the fuses in place. Then you can switch on the main breaker and try out the motor. All thanks to my friend Parthi to help me making the video. Friends, as you all know, there are numerous motors on board vessel. So always prepare a planner such that all the electrical motors Megger tests are being completed by the end of every quarter. Hope you have got an idea about the procedures of conducting a Megger test on board. If at all you find the video informative and interesting, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share among your friends to get more information on routine jobs on board ship. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you all a safe sea and healthy stay on board. Thank you.